Minority Development Organization More has organized 3rd Annual Felicitation cum Prize Distribution Program at the Conference Hall of the organization office More. Students who got through the Class 10 Board Examination 2019 were congratulated and presented with simple gifts on the occasion. A bomb was found in Bishop House, Mantipukri last night. In another incident, a bomb was planted at the residence of one Yumkham Dinesh at Khurai Thaudam Laikai. Dinesh is said to be a special contractor. Police are investigating the incidents. A social media campaign that seeks to build a movement for making Bengali the first language of Assam in the coming 2021 census has raised the hackles of Bengali minority groups in the northern eastern state, who phrase it an attempt to disturb peace by spoiling the age-old ties between the Assamese and Bengalis. The Election Commission of India (ECI) is likely to grant national party status to the National People's Party (NPP). According to the sources, the NPP has fulfilled the required criteria to qualify as national party after winning 5 seats in the recently held Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly. The ECI notification on granting national party status to NPP is likely to be announced this week. The Indigenous Peoples Front of Tripura, an ally of the BJP-led government in the state, will go solo in the Panchayat polls and the by-election to the village committees of the TTAADC. A magnitude 4.3 earthquake shook part of Banakhansta and adjoining districts in North Gujarat on June 5th night, though no damage to property or casualties were reported. Tremors were recorded at 10:30 p.m. according to a data reported by the Gandhinagar-based Institute of Seismological Research. Union Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has urged the Chief Ministers of Delhi, Orissa, Telangana and West Bengal, urging them to join the centre's flagship health protection scheme, Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Former Civil Aviation Minister Praful Patel has sought an alternative date from the Enforcement Directorate for questioning on deals for purchase of 43 Airbus aircraft and sharing of all India's profitable routes with international airlines. The Enforcement Directorate had summoned Patel for recording his statement under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. A total number of 314 people have been quarantined and placed under observation for having been in immediate contact with the 23-year-old youth from Beda Kekara in Puravur in northern Ernakulam, who has been diagnosed as having been contracted the Nipah virus. Authorities at a private hospital in Kochi, where he is under treatment, said he was stable and taking food. The Social Democrats emerged as Denmark's biggest party in elections, with preliminary results indicating gains for left-leaning parties and a big loss for populists. If confirmed in the final returns, the outcome pointed to the Social Democrats returning to power after 4 years in the country's leading opposition party.